Hello Gear subscribers. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find the username of Facebook on absolutely any device. Please put likes, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Let's go. Go to Facebook on any device. Go to your account. And after that, we need to click on your profile. In the upper left corner, click on your profile. It opens in the upper right corner. Click on the three dots. Scroll to the bottom. Appear your profile link. We have to click on copy link and then click OK. Then we go to the social network to whom we want to send our user. I just go to notes. For example, I will show you how it will look like. Click on put. After that, we delete these unnecessary words, and we are left with our Facebook username. We can go to it, and it automatically goes to Facebook. If you like this video clip, like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.